Hey y'all, sorry y'all, I know I haven't been with it with the videos, but I finally took out my braids and I just washed my hair. And when I tell y'all, my hair feels so soft, although it looks very dry. I haven't put any product on it because I was like, do I want to do a wash and go or do I want to do a twist out? So I wanted to do a twist out. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and record it because my twist outs always come out popping. And I just been using my Old Faithfuls every time I do my twist out. So I was like, let me go ahead, since I got this YouTube going, post a little tutorial for you guys so y'all can get y'all twist outs popping too. Okay. I don't know why I'm being extra. But nah, it's what, Friday? Still in quarantine, whatever. If that's what you want to call it, I don't know. But I'm just trying to stay on it, guys. You know, if y'all don't see anything from me, just be like, girl, we need to see this or that. And I'll come with it because it's hard to stay motivated in the house, you know, because I feel like it's hard because I'm like, I'm not going nowhere. I'm in the house. Why am I about to sit up here and put on some makeup and clothes and do all of this stuff, do so much to my hair when I ain't going nowhere, okay? I'm not going nowhere, y'all. But no, just know, haircut coming soon, a little transformation, you know, because I'm 25. I need something new because this ain't it no more. The Shaka Khan ain't it. Nah, I do want a haircut, but that's besides the point. So let's get started. I don't know if y'all like me talking or y'all just want to show it. But anyways, but first, of course, back to my holy grail. You know, how you do this. How do you do it? Yeah. I've always wanted to do this, y'all. I use my Shea Moisture Extra Detangler to start. And then I'm gonna go in with these two bad boys right here. This is, I'm about to read it backwards. Kids Moisturizer from The Main Choice. And y'all, The Main Choice was my holy grail, okay? But I don't know why I picked this up. I was just like, sometimes I feel like the kids stuff have better ingredients than like, you know, the regular stuff for adults. But it's packed with strawberries, it smells good, minimizes hair loss, promotes shine. I'm like, why did I make this for kids and not adults? So I was like, let me go ahead and try it. For all hair types, of course, like Main Choice always have like hair growth ingredients in it. Pulls in lock in moisture, instantly absorbs and softens, ash shines, all that blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then I come in with this as the last and final say so. This stuff is really moisturizing. I'm gonna show y'all. I hate this. Okay, yeah, it's really soft. Like, yeah, it's really soft and it's like, it's almost like water, whatever, anyway. Yeah, it's not that thick stuff, like it's not like the curl smoothie stuff. Then when I'm finished, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm pretty sure y'all don't know anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. God, help me, Jesus. All right, thank you. I'm gonna go in and lock in my moisture with this vitamin E oil. So I can, you know, how they say, whatever adds oil at the end, that's what I'm gonna do. Isn't it like a method? Well, not today, B. This little boy. All right, so I divide my hair into two parts. Just make sure whichever way you want to do it, in the middle or the side, make sure that part is straight because once it dries, like if you put a raggedy part. So yeah, make sure y'all just fix that. Everything else, it don't really matter because I don't care. Because who in your head anyway? You. All right, so yeah, I break it up into pieces. I'm gonna keep splitting it down the back. And then I take this side and I put it in the ponytail. Whatever, I'm just do this. Where's my rubber band? Y'all, every time I do videos, my rubber bands, okay, I found it. My rubber bands like to run away from me. But honestly, I'm just blind. So I'm gonna part this side in 4 plaits. Yes. And then when I go in, this is my first section. I kind of get a smaller section. I do it like right till I get to my ear. And then I pin the rest back. All right. And then I'm gonna take this, do a little bit of water. Y'all got this from Sally's, because I know y'all gonna ask. It's purple, but oh, okay, there we go. It's purple, y'all. It's my favorite color. Ouch. I got it from Sally's. It's like a automatic mister situation. So yeah, just so you know, I feel like if you go in and do a twist out with your hair soaking wet, it's gonna take a longer time to dry. So I like to do it mine kind of damp, kind of dry, because the products are gonna make it moisturized anyways, and I don't got time to be sitting around with plaits in my head. Okay. So yeah, I use a little bit of my detangler since it's not, y'all see that, it's not too big of a piece. And look, you comb my fingers already. And I don't really, that's not the main point. So I'm just trying to use that to detangle my hair. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with my kids moisturizer. God dang it! Ugh. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this. And I'm do like that, you see me. Moisturize it like this. Like so. You don't need too much of this, just enough. Which is fine. And then I'm gonna go. My hair keeps getting caught on my earrings. And this stuff, it's like water, so you don't want to put too much water anyways, because look, now it's coating all my pieces. Make sure you get your roots. Please make sure y'all get your roots now, please. Because if you don't, your twist out is gonna be all poofy in the roots. It's gonna be poopy in the roots. Okay. So yeah. If y'all don't know how to twist, that's the problem for yourself, because yeah, I'm not teaching nobody how to do that. Or you came here because you kind of know how to twist. So I do flat twist. I don't think I said that. So I do flat twist. And I just, well, I guess I'll show you. I take 2 pieces and then just make sure, please make sure y'all are doing this as tight as you can. And also the direction that you do your twist kind of has an effect. So I'm gonna go like backwards, whatever. Yeah. And then if you feel like some pieces get a little dry, just take a little bit and then kind of just go like that. Yeah, make sure y'all do it tight, because once they dry, they kind of get loose for whatever reasons of life. And try not to grab, try to make sure your parts are even, because it'll be easier when you unravel it. I watched this on somebody else's tutorial before, but I've been doing this for years. My hair, some people's hair locks at the end. Mine kind of does it all the time, so at certain pieces. So I'm just gonna, I kind of go like this, and I put it in a little knot. Don't tie it too tight now, because then you have some problems. But just so it can lock. Yep, there it goes. And it's gonna stay. All right, and then you just continue to do that throughout the rest of your hair. And I'm gonna do 3 more parts from this first one on this side. I have 8 plaits in my head. Don't worry about my parts. That's my business. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go in, kind of use this Maui Moisture, and just go like that down the roots, just to make sure I have everything. Yeah. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take my vitamin E oil and put a little bit, whatever, in there. Yeah. And then just kind of coat my plaits. Nothing fancy. Make sure I get the end. Get the ends of my hair, which are very important. To make sure y'all use this oil. And I like vitamin E oil because it's very light. Like, it's so light compared to like coconut oil. I used to love coconut oil, but that stuff right there get all over everything. Like, I just can't. But I love vitamin E oil. So yeah, I'm about to go do whatever with my life. You know, since this is the new little style with the, what they call them? Pop smoke braids. These are my pop smoke plaits. Get into it. Pop smoke twist out all 2020. But anyway, no. Yeah, so this is the end result. I'm gonna probably like either let them air dry. You can sit under the dryer for however many minutes. Just please make sure these are fully dry before you take them out. I'm gonna try to get a video whenever they're dry, probably tomorrow, because I ain't going nowhere. Where we going? If I go somewhere, then these gonna be my hairstyle. Okay, I'm gonna do a little 1-2 step with my plaits. But nah, just yeah, make sure they're fully dry in order to get the best results. Because sometimes y'all be listening to me, any twist out is not gonna come out right if you don't let it air dry. Let this air dry, blow dry, make sure it's fully dry before you take it out. If you do anything that I showed y'all with my first best wash and go, I know some of y'all did do it. Make sure y'all use the hashtag Winspired if you tag me on Instagram or whatever. If you post another YouTube video doing a review, or you know. But no, get into it. My pop smoke twist out is my infamous twist out. You know, we got a little mix to it since in honorary, you know, in honor, whatever, of Pop Smoke. Y'all, this camera be making my lips look like crackhead lips. Anyway, but yeah, I ain't got nothing to do. So y'all my friends, so I'm still sitting here. But yeah, I'm just letting my hair air dry. I don't have a blow dryer, should invest in one. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let them air dry and I'm gonna come back with the finished results. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. They're nice and dry, very moisturized. I'm about to take these bad boys out, and make sure when you take them out, you use your vitamin E oil to make sure you control the frizz. Alright, y'all, it's the finished product. Curls is big. Period. Want to get better lighting in here. Y'all, my curls are popping. Popping pin. That Pop Smoke twist out did your girl right. You know, excuse my little room, whatever. Yeah. Get into it, y'all. My twist outs come out A1, and I do my flat twist and call it a day. But yeah, if you guys try out this hairstyle and achieve these results that I did, make sure y'all use hashtag Winspired and tag me in y'all videos, because I would love to see how they come out. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and tune in for the next video. Send me y'all ideas if y'all want to see me do any other tutorials. But yeah, let your girl know. See ya.